We're doing a self-applicable coating, which has a very good function. It's an artificial rubber. What we show to avoid erosion, cavitation, wear problems, tear problems, and of course corrosion protection. We extend lifetime of your product of the customers.
And how does it work without that being too broad a question?
It's a very simple process. It is a sprayed on, and it's a high-end technology broken down to a state where you can use, or the end user can use it himself, which is opens a big variety to apply in any industries, marine, mining industry, and food industry. It's a food-safe process and material.
And you mentioned about how it can increase the lifespan of parts because of the protection?
Yes, of course, because the dynamic impact absorption of the rubber, I show you that, it reflects the impact, and therefore you have a long-term protection that you can never achieve with paint. It is a niche market, and you have to say where it fits. It extends lifetime and is economically very interesting for your end user.
And in terms of the protection, it has to meet all the standards that the industry demands?
More than that. That's what we're here for, to introduce MetaLine to a broader audience, to introduce the MetaLine, the material and the application method, because it's so easy to adapt to the workshop, to sprayers, to applicators, to have enlarge your spectrum for your application.
And tell me about being at this show and your thoughts on why it's important to be here in Amsterdam.
Amsterdam is the first trial. It's the first time in Amsterdam. We have been last year in Antwerp at the show, which was a smaller show, quite interesting for us. We had very few good contacts. This time is even exceeding our expectations. We meet very focused, very interested people, people who have time, have patience to listen to what we introduce, what we explain. They bring a certain interest, and it's a feeling of you can never overfeed them with information. This is very, very interesting for us and makes good fun.